Fuck, dude. What if they just came flying back at you? I had you for cover. True. Damn, that doesn't look like it's going to come back at you. He said it probably was. I was going. I'll be over here. Did it come back? I don't know. Okay then. Ooh, that's nasty shit, man. Oh, dude, I should have screwed that. Holy fuck, there's so many ties? I know, right? Ooh. Scrap. I was gonna say, if they hit the rail, it's gonna be so loud. Gravity scrap. Don't know what it is, but scrappable. I'm keeping this. Right. Nope. Wait, Twain, don't go. Come back. Dude. So weird. Coming out here now, all the cars are gone. Look at all this piece of this fucking metal. We could take all this shit. Could have taken all this shit. Scrapped it back in the day. Look at all that. Fucking ass. Oh, look at all these damn things.
Alright.
There's tons of them. Wow, they're hot. Huh? No. It's probably brake fluid or whatever they use to stop the fucking thing. Ew, it is. It's gotta be. It has to be stuff. That's straight up charcoal, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that came off the fucking train, probably. That's kind of cool. It's pretty sweet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.